Hey guys, welcome to Sparkle in the Kitchen, and today we're going to be making delicious and slightly spicy tuna cutlets. If you have tuna cans lying in your pantry, this is a great way to use them and make them yummy. I guarantee you'll just crave them more and more once you make them. So let's get started. Add 120 grams of flaked light tuna. Add 1 medium onion that's finely chopped, 2 green chilies that's finely chopped, and 2 teaspoons of grated ginger. Now add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, a 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, and a 1/4 teaspoon of hot chili powder for extra spice. And mix it all together. Our secret ingredient is to add 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Then add 1 egg to bind everything together. Fill a separate bowl with some water. Place a slice of bread in the water. Take it out and squeeze all the water out. Make sure that the bread is fully soaked and squeezed completely. Break the bread into smaller pieces into the bowl. And mix everything until it is well incorporated. Take about 2 tablespoons of the mixture, shape it into a ball, and flatten it. Cover it with semolina, or you could use breadcrumbs. Once you're done, place it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to firm up for the best result. You can skip this step if you're in a hurry or if you're too hungry. Now put some oil in your pan and spread it around. Place in a few cutlets and make sure that they're all spaced out. Once one side is golden brown, you can flip your cutlet. Now you'll know when it's done when both sides of the cutlet is golden brown. For a nice presentation, garnish with coriander and serve. These cutlets are so yummy, and the spices give a really great taste to them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, it will mean so much to us. Also, a huge shout out to Food with Mina for trying out our brownie recipe. Make sure to check out her channel, the link is in the description below. If you want a shout out, all you have to do is subscribe and post a video of you trying out one of our recipes. And let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to spread your sparkle in the kitchen.